I'm gonna make your content spread like wildfire. Scott Oldford here, and today I'm gonna help you viral hack your content so it can be distributed to the people that need you. Do you ever feel like when you create content, it's really difficult to get anyone to actually look at it? We're living in a time where it's so difficult to be able to actually take someone's attention towards our signal. It's becoming so costly and so difficult. So today I want to create a framework and ensure that you are able to have content that is virally shared and it allows for people to be magnetized towards you, because those that actually consume your content are the ones that are going to end up doing business with you, allowing you to grow your business. So the very first step, the very first piece of being able to have viral content is ensuring that you understand who the content is actually developed for. Now, when it comes to knowing your audience, you need to be incredibly specific. You can't just simply say, okay, anybody that is a marketer or anybody that is an entrepreneur. You need to be very specific on the avatar of the person that you're actually attracting. Because with so much content online, being general is not going to be enough to get someone's attention. You must be specific and, further than specific, ensure that the person's pain is being dealt with directly inside of the piece of content. The second piece of what you need to do is ensure that you understand which lane your audience is in when they're reading the article or piece of content or video or whatever it may be. See, it's very important that you understand the sidewalk, slow lane, fast lane methodology. Now, I'm going to share that with you via a link above or below instead of going in that today. But what you must understand is that a piece of content that is for someone in the sidewalk is very different in the fast lane. In the sidewalk, your piece of content is showing the pain or problem. In the slow lane, it needs to focus on the process or methodology, uniquely that will allow them to fix their problem. And in the fast lane, go deeper into the actual solution of being able to fix that specific problem that they have. The third is, what type of emotion are we trying to evoke inside of this article or piece of content? Are we trying to allow them to have discovery? Are we allowing them to understand themselves better? Are we trying to make a villain of an idea or concept and that our idea or personal philosophy is better or a better version of their particular reality? See, it's very important that inside of your content, you're evoking emotion. Emotion is what allows someone to push the share button, because when it resonates on an emotional level, it allows that person to actually buy into it, going past someone's logical brain and into their emotional brain. And when that happens and when this occurs, you have content that actually makes the person feel like they're getting to know you better. And that is a content that goes beyond the steps of this or the in-depth article and actually creates magnetization so that you can take strangers and turn them into potential customers. From there, we need to figure out which story type makes the most sense. Now, there's 7 overall story types from Len Wilson. Now, I'm going to link that article above so you can go check it out. These 7 story types are based upon Hollywood and the ones that, as general, human beings connect with automatically. The idea is being able to pull out stories from yourself or your personality or your company, being able to connect with that person in a likewise place. These 7 different story types allow you to invoke further emotion, allowing you to go beyond just logic and into a further level of connection that's going to allow that person to share and want to align themselves with you and your brand, bringing a person from just an anonymous stranger on the internet to somebody who is going to begin to know, like, and trust you. The final piece is the 6 different types of posts, the 6 different types of content. Now, I'm going to link that video above, which is a full detailed video on the 6 different post types. But it's about having personal philosophy or personal story or case study and understanding the purpose of the actual content itself. See, it's really important that you're intentional about what the piece of content's supposed to do. Is it going to get someone to sign up for a webinar? Is it going to get someone to know you more? Is it going to build your authority? Is it going to get that person to see the type of lifestyle that you believe in? Is it going to allow that person to see you as the authority further? Is it going to allow you to build a social proof? What is it actually going to do? So I'm going to put that above so that you can go and take a look at this. But when we take these 5 pieces and we push them together, when you sit down and write, it's not about just writing. It's about planning those 5 pieces together so that when you write that piece of content, or when you create this video, or whatever content is that you want to push out there, that it allows for a virality effect. And it's not just content, it's not just another list, it's not just another piece of information on the internet, but it's something that's going to magnetize someone and align themselves with you, allowing you to bring them closer and closer to who you are, and allowing them to become a customer or client of yours. This is the difference between having content that nobody cares about and content that allows you to create profit and further ability to turn complete strangers into raving fans. With that said, go implement, and if you want extra help, I've included an awesome resource at the end of this video. Just click above or below to go ahead and download that. Scott Oldford here, and I'll see you next time. So if you enjoyed this content and you want more of it, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. And if you want other entrepreneurs just like you to be able to also access this information, this knowledge, make sure you go ahead and share it with someone that means the most to you. Remember, as entrepreneurs, it's our job to be able to help other entrepreneurs continue to elevate, allowing us to evolve society and evolve our world. I'll see you next time. Bye.